tips right quick before y'all do it. So,
you guys doing it together?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, come on up here. I'll show you what's going to happen, right?
Andrew Comrade Picard, just call me ACP for short.
So you're doing
like BFG.
And I'm from Edmonton.
We're ADD.
I've been on the ice road. My dad had a train car. So you're doing two things. You're changing the spare for the left rear, and you're filling the fuel by picking that up and putting it on this fuel spout. Okay. The rules, you can't do those two things at the same time. Okay. Right. Second thing is, when you put the nuts back on the lugs, you got a band start. Thank you. Very good. Now, a couple things are kind of tricky. The fuel jug is unbalanced and pretty heavy. You're probably both need to hold it. And the second thing is to take your strap off. It's pretty simple to take off and on.
Here we're going to come out.
These can flip over at the back and kind of catch you up there. You want to make sure you get the strap clear when you do this. Okay, this car's pretty heavy. You might throw it up with your knee. Any questions? Let's do it. Come back behind the line. You might want to divide up responsibilities. The strap. Oh, well.
So folks, guess what? This is what we're going to do. We're going to take Steph, and between the two of us, imagine a radio guy.
I'm going to teach him how to change tires.
And an ice road trucker. And we're going to try to change tires. Now, I get to use my voice on the radio all the time, but who knows if I can use my hands to actually do anything. I think Steph is going to be the one that's going to train me on this.
Well, we'll see. I don't know. I haven't heard this. So.
And we're going to do it as a team effort today, folks. And because we're doing this live, if we fall on our face, well, remember, I'm a radio guy and magazine guy.
And I'm used to falling on my face from, the ice roads and slipping around, so.
Yeah, she's an ice road trucker, so she should be able to change the big tires, never mind these little ones.
I normally do, but we'll see how this goes. I'm not really timed up for when I do it. So.
And if you're down here at SEMA 2016 50th anniversary, drop by the BF Goodrich booth here, and you can try what we're doing right now. Videotape it, put it on your Facebook and your social media, put it side by side and say, this is what I did, and you should see what Steph and Dave did.
Yeah, hopefully we're a bit better than you guys, but I guess we're going to wait and see.
We're going to wait and see. As long as one of us doesn't get killed, everything will be good.
Just don't get under the car.
Oh, yeah. Or don't go near her and her. You want to do a test thing with that thing to move it forward, backwards?
Batteries. I know which way goes which.
All right. Okay, folks, we're going to be good to go here in a second. Stand by and see what happens.
Let them know they got that. Got a few people, right, already?
I don't want to interrupt. I know you're working.
Then what we can do is, we'll let you guys are waiting for audio. Maybe we'll let you guys through.
Oh, yeah. Okay.